Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to demonstrate how quick and simple it is to set up data8 validation on your WordPress site. The first thing you want to do is head to Plugins and then click Add New at the top. In the search box, search data8. Our plugin will appear in the list, data8 validation. Here you can activate it and install it on your website. Having completed the installation, the next step is to head to the data8 validation settings page. You can do this by clicking Plugins and finding the name of the plugin and clicking Settings in your Plugins page, or by clicking data8 validation from the left side menu. Here you can see the data8 validation settings page. There are several options, such as enabling predictive address or validation services, for use across your site. You can also enter your data8 API key, which is required to use our validation services. And if you do not yet have a data8 account, you can get a free trial by clicking this link. Once you've set up all the services to your needs or to suit your needs, click Save Changes at the bottom to save your configuration. Having completed the configuration, the next step is to test the validation. I've set up a simple Contact Form 7 form to demonstrate the validation in action. This is just one of several plugins that our plugin is able to integrate with, the others being Gravity Forms and WooCommerce. So this form uses default fields from Contact Form 7, so each of these are just dragged on from the Contact Form 7 form builder as standard fields, and I have set up the configuration of the data8 validation to use name validation, address level email validation, international telephone validation, and predictive address. I'm now going to go through and demonstrate the validation in progress. So let's enter a fake name, such as Joe Blogs, a fake email address, such as fake@data9.co.uk, a fake phone number, and let's demonstrate predictive address. So predictive address is an address autocomplete tool. So you can start typing an address and it will start to narrow down based on what you've entered so far until you get a final result, and then it'll populate all the fields with your final result. So if I search for data8, you can see it's narrowing down as I enter more information into the box, and then we can see data8. So I'll click it and it populates the fields. If I now try and submit this, I get a validation error, and you can see that all the fields have been validated as invalid. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it has been very helpful, and we appreciate you using our services. Have a good day.